escapes, aí vai dar esses... É. Não, essa sensação. É, você sabe que é boa. Ah. Olha lá.
Good afternoon, my name is Mario dos Santos, I'm your in-flight manager, and it's my pleasure to welcome you on board today. A special welcome to those of you returning from our executive club and those of you joining from our Onboard Alliance partners. May I remind you to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated. It must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. When opening overhead lockers, please do take care as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. As a reminder, smoking, including e-cigarettes, vaping, and the use of other smoking devices is not permitted at any time whilst on board. This includes the toilets, which are fitted with smoke detectors. If you're seated in club board this afternoon, please take care of your personal electronic device when adjusting your seat. If your device does get lost, please do not move the seat and let one of us know so we can assist you. We are pleased to have launched our free onboard Wi-Fi messaging service for all executive club members to enjoy on board today's flight. To connect to BA Wi-Fi or join our executive club, visit shop.ba.com, where you can access free messaging and discover more offers available. To keep up to date with the latest travel trends, to find an original guide to your destination or tips on how to make the most of your time in the sky, we suggest you read the digital version of High Life magazine for free via the .air Wi-Fi login screen on your personal electronic device. All phones should be placed to silent to avoid disturbing other customers. Video and phone calls are also not permitted at any time during the flight. We're about to start on board service. If you have a food allergy or like information on a specific allergens on today's flight, please contact any member of the crew. I would like to take this opportunity to introduce you to Tom. Tom is the in-flight lead, looking after those customers seated in club in World Traveler Plus and World Traveler. He'll be leading the teams in those two cabins.